guys, welcome back. This is going to be part 2 of the flashlight series. The two that I'm going to show two again today. The two that I have here, they're called the I'll show you both of them. They're almost the same, but they're called the Slyde King. It's also a Nebo. If you watch the first video, if you didn't see the first video, I'm gonna make a playlist and I'll put all these in that playlist. It's just gonna be all flashlight reviews. There'll probably be about 3 or 4 installments. But the first one I'll show you, this is a Nebo. It's called a Slyde King. Look right there. Focus. But Nebo Slyde King, and it gets its name because you slide it, and it's got a bar, and it's also magnetic. I think the bar was around 400 lumens, and the light is, I can't remember. I don't want to say wrong, but the light is pretty bright, and it's also got this function. You can hold it down to make it dimmer. I don't know if you can see it, but it's getting dimmer. There we go, that's dim. And you hold it down. There we go, that's dim. And you hold it down, it'll get bright again. So that's how you adjust your brightness. This one's not super bright like the other one in the last video, so I usually just leave it on high. But the cool feature about this one is the slide. It is also magnetic, so if you're working on a car, you can stick it on the hood, and then you open this up and blind yourself. But the idea is, you can light the engine bay or whatever it is you're working on. You can also change it to red for emergency situations. You can make it flash. So if you're stuck on the side of the road, you can stick it on the trunk of your car, and you have a red flasher. And then you can make it white again. If you're outside in the dark and you don't want to blind yourself, hold this down and then open it, and it automatically turns red. And you hold it down, it's red. So that's a pretty cool one. I like that one. I use that one a lot for automotive stuff too. The second one is the new version of the Slyde King. This is the Slyde King 2K. It is 2000 lumens, and it's the same way. You press it, and it's super bright. If you hold it down, see if I can do it without blinding the camera. You hold it down, and it gets dimmer. I think it's getting brighter. Well, there we go. Now, that's dim. Now if you leave it on dim, you turn it off, you click it twice, and it starts on dim again. So if you put it on, you click it twice, and it goes back to its last save setting. So wherever, if you get it fine-tuned where you want it, the next time you start it up, just hit it twice, and it'll go right back to where you had it. It's pretty cool. This one also slides open, and I think it's like 400 or 500 lumens, just like the other one. And it's also magnetic, so you can stick it on the hood. This one actually has a really nice rubber handle. The old Slyde King don't have, but it's grips. And this one, I'm not sure if the other one is or not. Yeah, it is. You can they both are you can zoom the lens in by turning. Yeah, you can turn this and it'll zoom the beam in. They both have that feature. The 6K has that feature too. I forgot to mention that in the last video, but you can blinded myself. You turn it, you can zoom the beam in. So you got a little strap, which I don't ever use. I don't even know why I put them on. But pretty good little flashlights. Check them out, Nebos. They're real well made. They're all metal construction. And this one is also, all the ones I'm showing you today are in this whole series are completely rechargeable. They don't all have the power bank. This one don't. It's just rechargeable. But the first two I showed you had the power bank. All right, it's going to wrap this one up. Check them out. I appreciate you watching. See you next time.